Hi and Assalamualaikum. Greetings to Dr. Nabila. My name is Rashid bin Rasul. My matric number is DE 2053. So I'm from Group 5, Section 5, Group 9. I would like to present our group report for the assignment. So our title is Engineering in Modern World. This is a report for the Engineering Society, BEE 32302. So this is my group member. First of all, me, Muhammad Rashid bin Rasul, Muhammad AMIR bin HAMIDON, Muhammad NURHAKIM, MUGILESH, and last one is VIGNAN. So for the introduction, we have made interview session under the topic Engineering in Modern World with senior engineer of UWC company. He is working in industry over than 10 years in multiple company. He is very optimistic and gain a lot of experience working with many company and deal with many clients, either local or international. So for the organization chart, this is the organization chart where our interviewer interview the senior engineer. As we can see, he is a senior engineering painting in engineering team Khairil. So I will go to answer question 5 because my friend already explained about our question. Starts from question 1. So my part is question 5. So for the question 5, we ask about what are the daily challenge that you face at your workplace as a senior engineer. So we elaborate the answer and then we conclude that the answer is we have to come up with the daily to improve project work, such as cutting costs, fastest way to complete the project. We also must take idea or advice from other engineer to improve our project. So for next part is analysis and discussion. So for analysis from this interview, we learn about understanding of professional and ethical responsibilities, and extensive education is needed to understand the impact of engineering solution in global economic, environmental, and social contexts. There is no model for achieving this skill, and for that reason, introduction with different approach recommended as well. It is application context student create interview session with aim to generating new form of learning. Student gain knowledge face to face with experienced person from this interview. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir bin Hamidun. My matric number is AE190056. So today I'm gonna present about the questions that I asked the senior engineer of UWC company located at Penang. So my first question is, do engineers need a good social skill? The answer is social skill is quite important because as an engineer we need to have the skill to present our concept and design project or plans or ideas to the employer confidently with the goal of improving the bottom line. So my second question is, as an engineer, what is your opinion on does a company's economic value? And the answer is it depends on the financial value of a given project in its initial stage. So the financing of the project defines the scale of the development. After finalizing the design of the project, R&D decides whether this project will be beneficial to the company's economic value or not. That's all from me. I will pass to other presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad NURHAKIM bin NORDIN. My matric number is CE190102. I will present about Q&A for question 3 and 4. For question 3, As a senior engineer of the company, what major challenge that you face and how do you manage that problem? The answer from the engineer is, as a senior engineer of process engineer or process equipment, the company has very high cost saving, which is around 1.4 billion, which is must be achieved. Cost saving methods will help companies save money by evaluating current expenditures and finding ways to cut internal costs. So company can gain a financial advantage and reach their bottom line. The most important thing is we do not work personally because we have our team to achieve this target based on our experiences, discussion, and team suggestion. That is the way to handle the challenge, work as a team. Next, for question 4, how does think that your role as an engineer make any impact on your social or environmental? The okay, the answer for the question 4 is, role as engineer will make us work in a group to perform the project and present to the upper management for approval. Communication skill will be the main point to handle the operation and dealing with others. In order to make the communication effective, is by approach the target with specific skill and make all things clear. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, myself MUGILESH SAMYNATHAN, matrix number CE200026. Now I would like to conclude our group presentation. From this interview, I would like to conclude that we learned about working in industries and how to fit in. Decision making, multitasking, creative problem solving, collaboration, communication, professionalism, integrity, management, initiative, empathy, leadership, and teamwork are some of the top job skills that will help you succeed in any industry. From this interview, we can imagine the pressure and challenges we will face when working in industries after graduation. Fresh graduates frequently face challenges transitioning from student life to career. Few people can land their perfect job effortlessly because at some point some of us will go through criticisms such as no real world experience, poor interview skills, and unsure how to negotiate salary and benefits to avoid. Moreover, this interview taught us to improve our communication skills by asking questions and understanding the answers. Good interview questions promote positive dialogues and allow the students and the engineers to get to know one another better. Finally, we also get to know that the first step involves finding a job based on capability. The process of selecting the best candidate from among those who apply for a job is known as selection. It is the process of making available positions to qualified candidates. Once the potential applicants have been identified, and the next step is to assess their qualifications, qualities, experience, capabilities, and so on before making a decision. It is the process of making available positions to qualified candidates. This interview session gave us the opportunity to learn more about engineers, engineering working culture, and the society they have built, improved, and reformed around them. We would like to thank everyone who made this interview happen. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.